Hey guys, today I will teach you how to add and enable free VPN on Windows 11. First of all, go to the Settings option of your laptop. Then go to Network and Internet option. Here you will find the VPN option. When you go there, you will see an option called Add VPN. Then click on Here. You will see your various options there. First, there is the VPN provider option. Then there is the connection name. In the connection name, you will type New VPN connection. After typing this, you will see the server name or address option below. For this, you need to use a browser. I am using Microsoft Edge browser for this. Here, you will search vpnbook.com. Here you will get an option called Free Open VPN Account. Then click here. If you go here, you can see that there are VPN servers from different countries. There are servers from many other countries, including Canada, Germany, France, UK. Since I will use the US server, I am copying the US server. After copying it, we will go to the settings. Here we will paste the server name or address. Then there are two more options below. Here you will keep the options that I have selected. Then I will be able to see the username and password options below. You will find the username and password at the bottom of the browser. Copy the username from here and paste it here, then paste the password. Check the password carefully so that there is no mistake. After entering the password and username correctly, click on the Save option below. Then you will see that a new option called New VPN Connection has been created in the setting. Here, if you click on the Connect option on the right, your VPN will be connected. After that, you can safely run VPN on your laptop or computer. If you want to turn off VPN again, click on Disconnect and it will be turned off. In this way, you can connect and disconnect VPN whenever you want. This is exactly how you can connect VPN to your laptop or computer for free. If you want to get more informative videos like this, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with a like.